Question 9 of the JAMB 2019 Mathematics Past Question, that's your UTME CBT exam. It says PQR are subsets of the universal set U. Okay, the Venn diagram showing the relationship this. So we have here P intersection Q, all into brackets union R is. So we have to pick out the Venn diagram showing this particular relationship. P intersection Q. This is P, this is Q. So P intersection Q, then union R. Okay, so this is the union of R. That's everything in R. So this would be the right answer. Here you can see this is saying this is like a P intersection Q union Q. All right, the best option here, the right option here actually is option what C, which is what P intersection Q then union R. All right, and our right option here is option C.